Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this Freshsales CRM review, including resources and helpful tools, are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using the platform. Freshsales CRM, a component of the Freshworks suite, presents a user-friendly and feature-rich platform designed to empower businesses in managing their sales processes, customer interactions, and critical data with increased efficiency. It's an especially compelling option for small to medium-sized businesses seeking a comprehensive solution to streamline their sales pipeline and significantly enhance productivity. A key strength of Freshsales CRM lies in its AI-powered tools, notably Freddy AI. This intelligent assistant delivers predictive insights, deal scoring, and proactive activity suggestions, enabling sales teams to prioritize high-value leads and accelerate deal closures. The platform also boasts robust pipeline management capabilities, featuring an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that allows users to monitor deals as they progress through customizable stages. This visual representation simplifies staying organized and maintaining focus on crucial tasks. Freshsales offers seamless built-in email integration, empowering users to send, track, and manage emails directly within the CRM. You can also configure email sequences and schedule follow-ups, simplifying lead nurturing through automation. Furthermore, the platform supports integrations with phone systems, allowing teams to make calls, log conversations, and even access call recording functionalities, all within a unified interface. The automation capabilities within Freshsales are extensive, significantly reducing manual tasks such as lead assignment, deal updates, and task reminders. Its comprehensive reporting and analytics tools provide detailed insights into team performance, emerging sales trends, and key pipeline metrics, equipping businesses to make data-driven decisions with confidence. Moreover, Freshsales supports custom dashboards, providing a clear overview of your key performance indicators, KPIs, at a glance. A significant advantage of Freshsales is its seamless integration with the broader Freshworks ecosystem, which includes tools for customer support, marketing, and IT management. This integration makes it a particularly attractive choice for businesses already leveraging Freshworks products. The availability of a mobile app ensures that teams can stay connected and effectively manage leads or deals while on the move. In summary, Freshsales CRM is an excellent choice for businesses looking for an AI-driven, all-in-one platform to optimize their sales processes. Its user-friendliness, robust automation features, and intelligent tools make it a valuable asset for growing sales teams. Check the links in the description to explore Freshsales CRM further and determine if it aligns with your specific business objectives. This review aims to provide clarity on whether Freshsales CRM is the right solution for your sales team's needs.